Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Want to create an adorable handmade Valentine gift using just circle? Stay till the end of the video to see how. Grab some watercolor paper, cut it to your preferred size and let's get started. Our first design is a tiny dino stretching out its little arms and saying, I love you this much. Start with a circle for the head, another for the body, a smaller one for the legs, and a curved shape for the tail. Add detail however you like, it is your dinosaur so it's unique. You can shape mouse, eye or anything else however you like. I'll be outline mine with a waterproof fine liner to prevent the smudging when using watercolors. When I look at this dinosaur, I feel like my little dinosaur, cozy, with little hand, so cute. Now it's time to color it. Choose any color you like. I chose green. What about you? What is your favorite color? As always, we begin with a light wash of color, then build up with darker shadow for depth. I add some little heart to make it cuter. You can add anything you like. And I like to have background. You can choose any color you like. Just remember to be diluted paint and add to your background. That's it, we finish our little cute dinosaur. Next, let's draw a lovable monster with a big goofy smile holding a tiny heart. Like before, we'll using circle and curved shape for its body and tail. The key is always see whatever you want to draw as simple geometric shape. This way you can draw anything easily. I repeat the same process step. Outline, add base color, then shade for depth. Now tell me, what's your Valentine's plan? Are you giving a gift? Have you ever received a fun surprise on Valentine's Day? If you, good for you. Let's share ideas so we can all make this day extra special. I mean, it's Valentine's Day, it's for love, so it must be so special. I've never done anything special on Valentine's Day. but you should definitely make it a memorable one. We only live once, so let's have fun and enjoy our life. Until now, we finished to our gift card. Look at these guys. They aren't cute? They are so cute. Guess what is our final card? Yes, our final card is majestic heart wearing a tiny crown. The process is the same, but this time I use bluish purple tone for shading instead of just darker red. You will be see on later. Now, as always, I start with diluted paint and gradually I add color, more color, and repeat the same process. Here I use orange to outline crown and later I use deep red for outline the heart. Again, I repeat this pro tip. If you're using watercolor, test your pen first to make sure they're waterproof. Which card is your favorite? Dino, monster, or heart? On my channel, I have so many this simple and fun painting anyone can do. So if you interest this kind of thing, don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. If not, let me know what I can improve and what kind of videos you'd love to see next. Here I add highlight with white gouache paint. It was our final touch and we are almost done. And that's it. Now you have 3 cute little gift cards for your love. Don't forget, if you try this drawing, tag me. I'd love to see your creation. See you in next video.